Hey techies, welcome to the Friday edition of Tech Stocks Daily. Today we've got Google making us giggle with AI errors, unveiling leaked SEO secrets, and news outages. Apple's making volatile waves with a potential game-changing partnership with OpenAI and exciting Siri updates. Microsoft's going multilingual with AI in India and investing billions into AI infrastructure. Finally, Snowflake's facing stock dips due to alleged data breaches, mixed financial results, and huge bets on AI. Stay tuned for all the juicy details you don't want to miss. Today, it's like Christmas in the tech world, all thanks to Google. Buckle up because we've got a jam-packed lineup of news, from goofy AI mistakes to massive document leaks shaking up the SEO world. Let's dive in. First off, Google has been riding the AI wave with its AI overviews, launched recently in the US. Now, the idea behind AI overviews is to make your search experience smoother by summarizing web content relevant to your search. Sounds great, right? Well, not exactly. The feature went viral for all the wrong reasons. Imagine finding search results suggesting you eat rocks for nutrition, or add glue to your pizza to keep the cheese from sliding off. Yep, you heard that right, glue. Such hilarious and horrifying errors forced Google to scale back its ambitious AI overviews. Liz Reed, VP and head of Google Search, addressed the issues in a blog post. Google's AI overviews misinterpreted satirical content from sites like The Onion and cheeky Reddit threads, making for some laughably bad advice. Now Google is implementing strong guardrails against nonsensical queries, humor, and satire. The company is playing it safe by limiting AI-generated content from forums and social media posts. Basically a no-glue-on-pizza policy for search results. But that's not all. Google News also took a hit today with an outage that left users frustrated. If you tried to catch up on the latest headlines and got the message, "Uh-oh, something went wrong," you weren't alone. Thousands of users reported issues accessing the service, showing Google News is down but not out yet. And we've got more Google drama. An almighty leak of 2,500 internal documents has sent the SEO community into a frenzy, revealing some juicy secrets about how Google ranks search results. SEO experts claim the documents confirm some long-held suspicions that Google wasn't entirely honest about its ranking factors, causing a mini revolt in the SEO world. Google insists the documents lack proper context and that its systems are ever-changing, but let's just say the SEO community isn't buying it. Meanwhile, to sweeten things a bit, Google has rolled out a cool new feature drop for Android. Now, you can edit sent messages in Google Messages, just like on WhatsApp, for up to 15 minutes after you've hit send. Plus, an instant hotspot function is coming soon, making it easier to connect your other Android devices to your phone's Wi-Fi hotspot with a single tap. Talk about convenience. Finally, let's not forget Google's big moves in the AR/VR space. Teaming up with Magic Leap, Google is looking to reclaim its throne in the augmented and virtual reality landscape. Magic Leap announced its partnership with Google to merge their expertise and potentially bring a whole new level of immersive experiences. And that's your Google-packed update for today. From AI goof-ups and search engine drama to fancy new features and AR/VR ambitions, Google has definitely kept us on our toes. Stay tuned as we keep following these stories and more in the tech universe. Today's Tech Flash is all about Apple, and boy, do they have the headlines buzzing. First up, let's talk implied volatility. Investors are keeping a close eye on Apple Inc. because the June 21st, 2024 $5 call had some of the highest implied volatility of all equity options recently. For those not in the know, implied volatility gives you a sneak peek into how much movement the market is expecting in the future. Higher volatility means traders are preparing for a big move, either up or down. So for all my options trading enthusiasts, this could be a goldmine or a landmine. Analysts have slightly upped their earnings estimates for Apple, going from $131 to $133 per share this quarter. Strategic traders might use this high volatility to sell premium, capturing decay as they hope the stock doesn't move much. Are you finding this buzzworthy yet? Next, hold on to your Apple Watches because there's a potential game changer in town. OpenAI is reportedly in talks with Apple about integrating their tech into Apple's devices. This has caused quite the stir at Microsoft, where the ever-so-slightly concerned Satya Nadella met with OpenAI's Sam Altman to discuss the implications. Why the fuss? Well, if Apple teams up with OpenAI, it could shift the entire AI market's balance, directly impacting Microsoft's own AI dreams. Rumor has it that Altman is eager to replace Google as Apple's search partner for Safari and even build AI chip factories, further solidifying OpenAI's grip on the AI landscape. But wait, there's more. Apple has its eyes set on an AI revolution at the upcoming Worldwide Developers Conference in June. According to Insider Buzz, next-gen AI features for Siri are on the roster. But here's the catch. You'll likely need at least an iPhone 15 Pro to make the most of these new bells and whistles. For the iPhone aficionados, this might involve a bit of an upgrade. Apple's A17 Pro chip with its beastly 16-core neural engine promises to take AI functionalities to the next level. Combine that with over 2 billion users, and Apple could turn Siri into an AI powerhouse. However, requiring the latest and greatest iPhone might be a bit of a barrier for some users. Lastly, a shout out to MKBHD, the popular tech YouTuber, who gave us an inside look into Apple's iPhone durability testing labs. From water submersion tests to industrial robots simulating countless drop scenarios, Apple leaves no stone unturned in making sure their devices withstand the rigors of everyday use. And trust me, the tests are intense. Marquis Brownlee also got chatty with John Turnus, Apple's head of hardware engineering, discussing the balancing act between durability and repairability. Imagine a product that never fails, but also one that's super easy to repair. Can we have both, please? So there you have it. Apple is not just making waves, they're creating entire tidal shifts in the tech ocean. Whether it's stirring up the options market, possibly teaming up with OpenAI, rolling out new AI features, or rigorously testing iPhones, Apple is at the heart of today's top tech news. Don't forget to keep your eyes peeled for more updates, because this tech giant is all set to redefine the game yet again. Stay tech savvy, everyone. Grab your earbuds and buckle up, because Microsoft's making headlines. Today, the spotlight is on Microsoft for several game-changing moves and revelations. First up, Microsoft has turbocharged its productivity suite, Microsoft 365, by adding AI-powered support for several Indian languages. Yes, you heard that right. Microsoft 365 Copilot can now chat with you in Hindi, Bengali, Tamil, Telugu, and more. This upgrade is a huge win for users in India, who can now interact with this intelligent assistant in their native tongues. Imagine asking Excel to crunch your numbers in Tamil, or having Word help you write a report in Bengali. It's a big push to make tech more inclusive and user-friendly, especially in a linguistically diverse nation like India. If you're still not clued in on what Microsoft 365 Copilot is, it's an AI-driven wonder tool that aims to boost productivity and creativity across popular Office apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. By integrating large language models, Copilot provides real-time, intelligent assistance, making it seem like you're working with a super smart colleague who never sleeps. Microsoft has also announced Team Copilot, an enhancement aimed at managing meeting agendas and fostering better collaboration. It's not just a tool, it's a team player. But wait, there's more. Microsoft is not just focusing on language and productivity. They've also dipped into AI investments big time. Microsoft recently announced a whopping $3.3 billion investment in Wisconsin to amp up their AI game. This includes not only a new cloud computing and AI infrastructure, but also the launch of a manufacturing-focused AI co-innovation lab. Plus, they're rolling out an AI skilling initiative for over 100,000 residents in the state. Talk about a smart investment in the future. And here's a plot twist that'll get your attention. UBS analysts have identified Microsoft as possibly being Nvidia's biggest customer, contributing to 19% of Nvidia's revenue in fiscal 2024. That's a huge chunk of change. Nvidia's powerful H100 AI chips are in high demand as tech giants like Microsoft ramp up their AI capabilities. Given Microsoft's rapid scaling in AI, including their Copilot product, this comes as no surprise. And don't forget Microsoft's partnership with OpenAI. It's clear they're going all in on AI. In the stock market, this AI focus has been paying off. Microsoft stock closed at $440.67, marking a 5% increase this past month. Their investment in AI and cloud services indicates they're not just riding the wave, but creating it. So there you have it. Microsoft is making leaps and bounds in AI, contributing significantly to Nvidia's revenue and expanding their linguistic horizons. Whether you're a tech investor, a productivity geek, or just someone who loves seeing smart moves in tech, Microsoft had something to excite you today. Stick around for more tech tidbits, and keep your eyes on these AI-driven game changers. Today's spotlight is on Snowflake, a company that's clouding the headlines for multiple reasons. Some good, some not so good, and some absolutely eyebrow-raising. Let's dive right in. First up, Snowflake stock has taken a bit of a tumble, down 4.19% as of last check. And why, you ask? Well, we've got a spicy cocktail of reasons. It all started with a Hudson Rock report alleging a massive data breach. According to them, a threat actor may have exploited an industry-wide identity-based attack affecting Snowflake's customers. Yikes. Snowflake addressed the issue, but trust in data security is a big deal, and investors are shook. Now, you'd think good financials would offset the bad press, right? Wrong. Snowflake's recent first quarter results were a mixed bag. They reported a 33% increase in revenue, surpassing the consensus estimate. But earnings per share? That missed the mark. Add to that downgrades in their gross margin and operating margin expectations due to some heavy investment in AI infrastructure, and you've got investors biting their nails. So hinging on AI, Snowflake's strategically pouring money into GPU costs to scale their AI capabilities. This is pretty much a sink-or-swim move to generate future revenue. The gamble has led to reduced guidance on various profit margins, which isn't exactly music to investors' ears. To add some more flavor, we've got big money investors, whales, making waves in the Snowflake options market. Our trusty Benzinga scanner picked up some huge trades, showing a split sentiment with 50% bullish and 31% bearish. It's as if Wall Street doesn't know what to make of Snowflake right now, teetering between dumping and doubling down. Despite all this turmoil, there's cautious optimism in the air. Industry analysts are juggling their price targets, with the average still suggesting some upside. This, combined with the company's extensive customer base, boasting nearly 30% of the Fortune 500, gives some reasons to hold hope. Lastly, the big picture. Snowflake is making long-term bets on AI and data integration services, setting it up for potentially massive returns. But boy, oh boy, are there risks. The company's valuation is high, some would say sky high, and with all this spending, the profit margins are tighter than ever. If they're right about AI, this could be a transformational period. If they're wrong, well, things might get frosty for Snowflake. So what do you think? Are you bullish, bearish, or just plain baffled by Snowflake's moves? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's get a conversation going. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates on today's hottest tech news. All right, tech lovers, let's zero in on Apple and decide whether it's a buy, sell, or hold given today's updates. Now, why Apple? Because this tech giant is making waves with its intriguing mix of investor activity, potential AI collaboration, and new product features on the horizon. So here's my take. Buy Apple. Why buy? 1. Implied volatility and earnings estimates. The June 21st, 2024 $5 call option had one of the highest implied volatilities recently. That means traders are expecting significant movement. Analysts have nudged their earnings estimates up slightly from $1.31 to $1.33 per share this quarter. Higher earnings estimates can be a good indicator of investor confidence. 2. OpenAI collaboration. The potential integration with OpenAI is a massive game changer. Microsoft is already feeling the heat, and Apple's entry into advanced AI through OpenAI could shake up the entire market. Additionally, Sam Altman's interest in building AI chip factories for Apple indicates a strong and deeply integrated partnership. 3. AI features for Siri. Apple is gearing up to announce next-gen AI features for Siri at the WWDC in June. If you're eyeing the next iPhone upgrade, these AI enhancements could make Siri a more powerful tool, making the iPhone even more indispensable. 4. Durability and repairability. Apple's proactive approach in their durability testing labs ensures a product that's not just feature-packed but also robust. MKBHD's inside look at Apple's iPhone durability testing labs shows Apple's commitment to producing top-quality, reliable products. 5. Broader market sentiment. With over 2 billion users, any significant AI feature rollout can create a huge impact and possibly drive the stock price up. Tatter risks to consider. Need for upgrades. The new AI features might require the latest iPhone models, which could be a financial stretch for some users. Market volatility. Implied volatility suggests potential price swings, so you should be prepared for some bumps. Final thought. Considering these factors, I'd say Apple is a buy. The company is relentlessly innovating and potentially revolutionizing its AI capabilities, which can provide substantial returns in the long run. Do your own research. But hey, this is just one tech vlogger's opinion. Always do your own research and consider your own risk tolerance before making any financial decisions. The tech world is dynamic, and today's insights can change rapidly. All right, that's my take, folks. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Are you buying, selling, or holding Apple stocks? And remember, keep exploring and stay tech savvy. What a whirlwind of a day on the NASDAQ. Google served up both laughs and headaches with its AI mishaps and SEO leaks. Apple kept us on the edge with intriguing AI rumblings and market movements. Microsoft supercharged its AI and productivity suite in India while making big investments. And Snowflake dealt with security scares and market jitters. If you enjoyed today's roundup, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow tech lovers. And hey, make sure to return on Monday for another exciting update. Have an awesome weekend, everyone.